League joins us from Senior Timberlake and League. Good to have you
All
here.
right, Sharon, I'm excited to be here. Stump the Chump, ask us anything.
Oh,
so
it makes us a little nervous, doesn't it?
It does, you know. I mean, anywhere from car wrecks, medical malpractice, workers' comp, you know, premises liability. You know, the questions can come from anywhere, and if we don't know the answer, we'll make one up. We'll tell you we don't know, and we'll see if we can look it up for you. But
Point you to the right kind of lawyer,
right.
anyway.
That's right. That's right. You know,
choosing a lawyer. But it brings us to that. How do you go about choosing a lawyer when you are suddenly faced with a case that you know nothing about yourself?
You know, number one, do your research. You know, I mean, so you look and see what the credentials are of that particular lawyer, what he or she specializes in. Do they go to court? Can they go to court? What verdicts do they have? What type of cases do they handle specifically? And number one rule, Sharon, really is do your research. There is a movement of a bunch of mass volume advertising, which we've all seen, but make sure that that particular attorney is going to take your case. That particular attorney knows how to get in and out of the courtroom. Oftentimes attorneys advertise, hey, we want to keep you out of the courtroom. That might be preferable for some, but if it calls for it, make sure your attorney can go try a case and he's comfortable either resolving the case prior to litigation, or if litigation is warranted, that your attorney knows how to get in and out of the courtroom. And oftentimes with the volume advertisers, I'll go ahead and tell you that they're not trying a lot of cases, and what clients don't know is that oftentimes if the lawyer doesn't know how to go to courtroom, then nobody will respect that particular negotiation, if you will. And so do your research, make sure he or she knows what they're doing. They do try cases, but not somebody who's just aggressive and wants to try every case. You want to be reasonable. But tonight we're